What's up, guys? We're doing an E36 tie rod replacement. First things first, you're going to want some simple tools. Jack the car up and take the wheel off. Alright? Next thing you're going to want to do is pull the tie rod, or once the wheel's off, loosen the tie rod, the outer tie rod bolt. Lift it to the top of the stem to its flush, and I use that as a beating surface with a hammer or mallet. Give it a little suggestion to move. Once you've got that loose, you're going to want to take off the two metal retaining clips that hold on the dust boot. Once you get the dust boot removed, then we go on to the main tie rod nut. Now for the tie rod nut, there's going to be two different bending spots if it's never been replaced before. One bending onto the nut surface, and one there is a square cut into the threads. It is bent inside, so you have to make sure both of those are flat or force your way through. After that, you either get to do a ground alignment or floor alignment, which I like to call them, or you just drive it down to your closest alignment shop and they'll take care of it for you. That's how I did my tie rod replacement. I figured it would help you guys out as well. Peace.